Today we are making a beautiful birch tree collage, and I will show you a couple of cool art tricks along the way. Let's start with the background. Take a piece of paper that can handle paint and grab your washable markers. Pick a few colors for your sky. Draw lines across your paper, but leave some white stripes in between. Switch colors as you go and fill in the white spaces where the colors meet so they blend into each other and create a smooth gradient. Here is the first art trick. We turn the marker lines into paint. Gently spray a little water over your paper. Watch how the colors start to move and blend together. Be careful not to use too much water or the colors might wash away. Set your background aside and let it dry completely. Next, take another piece of paper and draw a big circle for your sun or moon. You can trace a cup or any round object. Cut it out. Color it with markers. And then spray a little water on top to blend the colors, just like before. Set it aside as well and let it dry. Now let's create the rest of our collage. Take two different colors of construction paper for your hills. Since this is a horizontal landscape, work along the long side. Tear one taller hill from one color and a shorter hill from the other color. Then take a piece of drawing paper and tear it into strips for your birch trees. Tear along the short side. Tear the stripes vertical, and you can try making some pieces slightly diagonal, so the trees look more natural. Don't use the pieces with the straight factory edges. Pick a few pieces you like and tape their back onto a larger paper, so they stay in place. Here comes the second art trick. We add texture without a brush. Use black acrylic or tempera paint and a strip of cardboard. Dip the cardboard lightly into the paint, then wipe off the extra. Press and drag it gently along one side of your paper strips to create the birch tree texture. You can use either the wide or thin edge. Let your trees dry. Once everything is dry, it's time to put your collage together. First, glue the taller hill at the bottom. Then add your sun or moon in the sky. Next, glue your trees. You can even overlap them. Finally, add the smaller hill in front. Use a scrap paper under each piece when you glue, so your table and artwork stay clean. And we are done. I hope you had fun creating this torn birch tree collage. See you in the next tutorial.